Hello, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can add audio in Canva. This video I'm just going to make a TikTok video and add some audio to it. So let's type TikTok. And we are just going to use an empty template. And let's import a video. Then make it fit screen. And to add audio, there are two ways you could do it. One way is to upload your own audio, and you can upload it here. Just take the folder where you have your audio clip and just drag it over here. Or you could go to Elements and you can scroll down to find audio, and here are some free clips and some paid ones. If you want to have access to the paid ones, I have a link down in the description, and you will get a 30-day free trial to Canva Pro. To use this audio, just drag it to the video, and as you can see, we now have a video with the audio clip. Very cool, huh? If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.